on the Hotpoint Ariston fridge freezer. As you can see, this unit comes in graphite, but it also comes in white. What I like about the unit is its smooth lines, its flat front and its concealed handles. It makes it smaller and will fit in a kitchen, and it will add to the aesthetics of any kitchen. Let me go into the dimensions. The unit itself is 188.8 centimetres tall, it's 59.5 centimetres wide, and it is also 63.3 centimetres deep. The unit is split into two on a 60-40 basis. 60% is the fridge, which gives it a capacity of 227 litres, and the 40% is the freezer, giving it a capacity of 111 litres, which shows it has plenty of room for storing food and frozen stuff. If we open the unit up, the first thing to note is the fan situated at the top of the fridge. This circulates cold air, giving you better cooling properties for all the food. The control panel at the side here has an LED light. I'll go more into the control panel later on. The unit has 3 shelves and also a crisper unit at the bottom. The crisper unit has a humidity control which works on a slider. Basically what that does, it allows different amounts of air into the crisper unit to keep your salads and vegetables fresh. In the door we have 3 shelves with an egg rack and also a bottle shelf. Open freezer container part up. And we have 3 shelves in the freezer unit. We shall now go on to describe the control unit, which is situated here. It has an LED light, which is at low consumption and lights the whole fridge up. We then have 3 little light settings here, which denote how cold or how warm the fridge is. And we have the temperature set button, which is a button here. Now the unit has several settings. You can have it on a high, which is a cool setting, high to medium, medium, medium to low, or low. It also has a super cool function. The super cool function is ideal when the fridge is full of produce and it helps it cool down quicker. The super cool is selected by pressing the temperature button and holding it for 2 seconds, and all 3 LEDs will light up to indicate that the super cool function is in operation. The alarm has 3 functions, alarm functions. If the fridge door is left open for more than 5 minutes, the internal light will flash. If the fridge door is left open for more than 8 minutes, the internal light will go out. And if there's a problem with the fridge, the temperatures or anything like that, one of the other 3 LEDs will flash to let you know that there is a problem. And then you would call a service engineer to have the problem sorted out. That is the description of the fridge freezer. As I said at the beginning, the unit was supplied by AO. I only have praise for the staff and the delivery drivers. Everything went smooth and I can highly recommend them. Thank you for watching.